Good morning, students. In our last class, we discussed on computer languages. Today, we will go through the main points of those three languages. Computer languages, that is, system of commands used to develop programs for computers. And the three computer languages are machine language, assembly language, and high-level languages. Machine language. Machine language can be written in the form of the strings of zeros and ones. How can we write with zeros and ones? Suppose we want to write hello in machine language. We need to type 0100100 for H. Then for E, we need to type 011000101. For L, 011011100. And for O, 011011111. So students, you can see how difficult it is. That's why it was very difficult for the programmer to write in machine language. But it executed by the computer very quickly. And the machine language is different for the different types of computers also. Assembly language. Assembly languages are written using codes of English letters. It is machine dependent. Program written for one computer cannot be used in any other computer. That means it is also different for different types of computer. Assembly language needs an assembler to execute. High-level language. High-level language use English words and phrases. High-level languages are very programmer friendly. It uses icons, graphical interface, and symbolic representations. High-level languages need compiler or interpreter to execute. You can see three new words here: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. I have highlighted the three words. What are these? These are language processors. A language processor is a software program designed to perform tasks such as processing, programming code to machine code. The computer hardware understands only its machine language. Therefore, all high-level language programs must be converted into machine language programs before they can execute by a processor. Compilers and interpreters are programs that convert a program written in a high-level language into an equivalent program in the low-level machine language. Programs written in high-level language are known as source code, and converted programs in machine language or low-level language are known as object code. I have said before that assembler, compiler, and interpreter are the three kinds of language processors. Assembler. An assembler is a program that translates an assembly language program into a machine language program. Compiler. A compiler is a program that translates all instructions of high-level language source program into a machine language object program at once. It also reports errors found in program along with their line numbers. The object code produced by the compiler can be permanently saved for future reference. Interpreter. An interpreter is a program that translates only one instruction of a high-level language source program into machine code at a time. This code is executed and then the next instruction is translated. The object code produced by the interpreter is not saved for future reference. A compiled object code runs faster than an interpreter source code. Compilation is done just once for the entire program, whereas interpretation is done for each instruction whenever the source program needs to be executed. Let's go through the main points of the language processors once again. Assembler. Assembler is a language processor software that converts program written in assembly language into machine language, while compiler is a software that converts program written in a high-level language into machine-level language. Interpreter also translates a high-level language program into machine language. Assembler converts assembly language program to machine language. Compiler converts the whole high-level language program to machine language at a time. But interpreter converts the high-level language program to machine language line by line. Assembler used by assembly language. Compiler used by C and C++. Interpreter used by Ruby, Perl, Python and PHP. Students, learn the lesson properly and feel free to contact me if you find any difficulty. Thank you.